Better late than never, I always say. So that's PLTR. I would wait, man. I know some of you guys can't help it. You're out there buying. It's just impossible to have any patience. That's all right. I get it. Just don't tell me about it because I'm going to yell at you. That's all you got to do. If you buy them different than me, just don't tell me, and then I won't know. Okay? And then I won't be mad. Because if you tell me, then you'll just ruin my fucking day all day. Okay? So don't do that. Just do it and keep it to yourself. Especially don't post it because that really pisses me off. So just buy it until it's set up properly. Disappointment. I started buying. Where did we start? No, actually, we started buying it up here, and then it broke out, and then we had all that news. I held the stock. I know. I know. I know. I held it thinking support would hold. Support is not held. So at this point, seriously underwater in this one. You know, it is what it is. Sometimes you get caught in stocks. I've been caught in this one. Um, you know, I guess we're going to play the support game all the way down. So I'm not selling here, though. I know that. I'm just going to be wrong on this one right now. And obviously, we're in a stage 4 decline, right? So I'm going to wait. I need to see this thing stabilize a bit. I thought it had stabilized in here. I was trading this as a box, holding support. It did not hold. So, you know, it is what it is. So this is Clove. I do think this is an opportunity, though, man. Is Jack's breaking out again? JGX. Let's see. Yeah, maybe. MicroStrategy. Somebody's been going down to Bitcoin. MicroStrategy. Yeah, that was a good move on their part. Anybody connected to the blockchain, his stocks have been rocketing. That's where PayPal, Square. Square, all those attached to the, let's see, DS should be holding, I hope. Look at that. This is my favorite penny stock right now. I hope this holds. I really do. I think as long as the market doesn't just literally implode, this should hold. It's held now for 3 months. This zone should hold. I got a pretty large position right now in this stock. So we were doing just fine. They really started going, and then they did a secondary offering. It's like, fuck, took it down. So, yeah, so Ram, the man, one of our favorite analysts, who's a 5-star analyst, Stock Assassin, CRDF, if you have tip ranks. And it's holding the 20, man. So we got a nice trade going in this one. YouTube's blurry. It could be the camera I'm using. I grabbed the wrong one. So I'll get you just call my office. My assistant will get you a refund. Let's see. It's coming up. Yeah, there is no office and there is no refund. So this was a serious overreaction. This is another one. So we've been caught in I've been caught in a few trades. The only thing I can try to reassure you, and the ones we got caught in, is I do believe they're really good companies. I'm not going to take a bath at what is a ridiculously low price. I'll rather just hold them. I'm not even adding to them. Some of you may have added here. I didn't add. When it gets back up in the box here, I'm going to add big time. We'll just see. I mean, it could sell off. Market's under pressure. I know I had some people tell me they were adding into the close. This is a seriously overreaction here, man. Doesn't mean it can't continue overreacting, of course. This is MVIT. So we kind of got caught in this one. These stage ones, you should not be going in a big position on a stage one. This is a solid downtrend. When we try to buy a stage one, which is price selling off and it stops and starts going sideways and the MACD turns, right? When this happens, I'm not looking to trade a huge sum of shares. I'm nibbling in these zones. The big money comes when the breakout happens, okay? That's when it's going in your direction. Right now, it's not. So don't get that twisted, because sometimes people get greedy and say, well, if you buy the most on the stage one, yeah, but you also can lose the most. Like, So you see this solid box Proctor's been putting in, right? Kind of dipped down for a second and then it came right back up, which is a super bullish sign. So I've been buying this in the buy and hold. I mean, you could do this as a swing trade. I wouldn't do it as a smaller account. You know, maybe some long dated options, maybe as a swing trade. This would be one that I would buy options on. You know, these are, yeah. So Proctor setup, we've been buying this in, or I've been buying it in the buy and hold. I don't really text the buy and hold. I kind of assume everybody knows what to do if you're trading with me. If you have a buy and hold stock that's in a stage one, just assume I'm buying some. In today's world, there are no commissions, right, for U.S. traders. So literally yesterday, I bought 1 share of Proctor. Or no, over here, obviously. 1 share. Why? Because it's 128 bucks. So I moved over like $250 in my buy and hold account in IRA, and I bought 1 share of Proctor, share of something else. I'm trying to remember. Just buy and hold positions, right? We're just nibbling. If it keeps going sideways, shit, maybe today I'm gonna buy another one, the next day another one, and I'm just gonna build it up. I already have like 6 grand in it. So I'm just nibbling. I'm nibbling. And when it runs up, what am I gonna do? Nothing. It's a buy and hold. So I'm always nibbling on buy and holds, right? Just assume, like, so if you're trading with me, you don't need me to tell you buy Coke on a stage one. Just to shit, assume I'm buying Coke on a stage one. So this one we picked up as a trade too. But look, see that box? That's when I'm buying Coke. After a big sell-off and it starts to go sideways, okay? That's when you want to buy it. So as a buy and holder, this is when I buy. Now, I do text it when it's brand new add. So we added this to the portfolio in our buy and holds, okay? Because why? This gave me a chance. It got cheap. It got cheap. Now, is it super cheap? Nah. I mean, let's check tip ranks. You can see, look, I was daydreaming about islands yesterday. When people were texting me, freaking out that stocks went down. I was looking at islands, thinking, Jesus, maybe instead of trading, I just moved to an island. Let's see. So 57 bucks, right? Not that deal. Yeah, this cat. 7 bucks. My man said RMO. My man just came on my feed and insulted me right to my face. He said, Gerald, fuck you. RMO is garbage. QS is better. Don't give a shit if you pick the stock or not. Because I know better than you. I will come on right in front of 900 people and tell you to your face that your stock pick is shit. That's the kind of guy I am, Gerald. I hope you don't trade with me, bro, because I'm going to kick you out today if you do. $54 is our target, and don't send me anything either, bro. Like we just broke up. I don't even know who you are, but we just broke up. We're not even friends now. That was kind of a dick move, to be honest. So, trying to get $54. Wouldn't that be funny if I came to your guy's job and you were working and you're over there and your manager's there and I go, hey, your employee's a real dick. He doesn't know what he's doing. But on social, people feel like they can just do that, man. They don't realize, like, some people do this shit for a living. Imagine if I came to your job and just heckled you all day, like every day, just followed you around going, hey, you're fat. But people, man, people do it on this, man. I get 100 people a day call me names and shit. It's like, man. And then people are like, oh, man, don't worry about it. Just keep doing it. Really? What if I followed you around at work yelling 100 obscenities at you a day? You think that shit would get to you eventually? Yeah, man. People forget there's people on the other end here, man. Got fucking emotions, and it's rough. It's rough, man. I get people that call my mother. How about that? What if I called your mom because I was at Walmart and I didn't like something you did, so I looked up your mother to call her? You think I'm kidding? I am not. GLD is holding some. You guys think I'm not? Dude, people have egged my. How about that? You ever get someone egg your house because of some shit you did at work? They didn't like you at work. So they were at your job at Walmart and they were like, what? I didn't like the way you packed my bags. And then they come egg your house. let's see. We got gold sitting right at support. Man, gold's been hard, bro. I'm gonna be honest. This is one too it's been hard. It's been hard, man. It's been hard. He said he egged his teacher's car. Yeah, maybe it was just kids, man. Maybe they secretly loved me, had a crush on me. So gold's been tough, man. We're right here with gold. I don't know, man. I wish I could feel. I'm in it, so I got to stay with it. Um, I'm in it. This hurts. Like I'm long AUI. It's not down as bad as it was. So maybe this comes back. We need this to get back up in here. Be super bullish if it gets back up in here today. So let's keep an eye on this. Yeah, there's another one, man. He said, Gerald, I know you said buy this stock, but fuck you. I'm letting that stock go. And I'm going to let everybody know in public that I said, fuck it. I'm not taking your trade. I'm just going to tell you right to your face. Fuck your trade. Let's see. Again, you don't need to tell me all that, man. You could just move on. There's no need to tell me that you didn't take it. It's going to come back into the box. That'll be super bullish. Yeah, I mean, the 3-day rule, you guys don't have to follow it. That's something that I do, but I don't trade like a little wimp. I don't get all bent. I don't think stocks are going to zero. I don't hold stocks that are that bad. This is, yeah, I grabbed the wrong camera. It's a little blurry. So I'm not in a total panic. I try to buy good stocks. I've only ever had a few that were just total, complete disasters that I couldn't trade my way out of. We're very close to coming back into the box here. So I got a feeling by the end of the day, it's back in the box. So I haven't cut it. I haven't cut it, man. You should know what chart this is. Well, I got to tell you the tickers. If you guys traded, you'd know. This is the nugget. This is the nugget. So the unleveraged version of this is GDX, gold stocks. I know, man. None of you guys are trading gold. I don't even know why I'm talking about gold. It's right back at support. See it? So this is the support level we're trading. This is for all the old people in here. What indicators do you use? Luke, you better go down the rabbit hole, son. Do a little work. Next thing, you'll want me to come to your house and rub your shoulders and give you ticker symbols. MBRX is one shit. Maybe I'll come to your house and set up your charts for you. Make that easier for you. Maybe I'll read the book to you. I'll just come to your house and read the book right to you. Just you lay in bed and I'll read it to you. We'll make it even easier. I mean, I put this shit in the newsletter. I write a book. I give it out every day. Maybe we can make it even easier. So, yeah, big down move in this one. It started to break. All of the pharmaceutical stocks have been under pressure, okay? So I'm not bailing on these stocks right now. I know, maybe that guy just met me. He could just be passing through, and then I just was and now he's not going to buy a book. I got to... Let's check this stock tip ranks. Now, obviously, tip ranks isn't right, but it's a guide, right? This is a guide. They know more about rating stocks than I do, if I was being honest. I know I get a lot of guys that tell me, oh, well, you can't trust the analysts. I understand that. So we got a $22, okay? That's a big upside, 345%. I'm going to give this a little room. I'd rather be a buyer than a seller. Rather be a buyer than a seller. You get what I'm saying? Rather be a buyer than a seller here. I know it kind of hurts, but let's see. What else do we got? What else? I don't know why this one's so blurry. This camera's fucking up. I'll switch next time, man. My bad. NCNA is another one. Damn. Underwater on this one. This is turned into a stage 4. We're going to wait and see. I'm going to give this a little room. It's too early in the morning. I mean, we got support all the way across the screen here. Here. Okay? So I'm going to give this one the benefit of the doubt. Where's C-Bay here? C-Bay break? Yeah, it's coming back though, dude. We'll see if that holds. It's coming back. We'll see if it holds this zone. Yeah, I'm in DS, bro. I'm in DS heavy. Heavy. I bet I got more DS than you got. I got a lot. Let's see. So, I mean, we're still holding the where I initiated the trade over in here. You know, I don't know, man. Let's give this one a little room. I don't sell at the open with all the crackheads. C-Bay. I know a lot of you guys like the open. I don't like the open. I mean, analysts are calling for $11. Let's give this a little room, man. I mean, it's done this little pattern, though, a couple times, right? So, I don't know, man. You know, what are we going to do, man? Oh, everybody's got the professor thing. That was kind of funny, right? Did you see that media guy? That guy was like, why are you picking on me? I was like, because I can. And if you can't handle me picking on you, you damn sure can't represent me as an agent. Get the fuck out of here, son. He did not like me picking on him. I get those guys that do that. They're like, I would like to help represent you. I would like to help put your content on Yahoo Finance. And I'm like, fuck off. And they're like, why are you so mean to me? And I'm like, well, if you can't handle that, bro, you can't help me. Shit. All I said was what was on my mind. What else do we got breaking down on us? Z-San. Let's see where that's at. Come on, man. That stock is good, man. Come on, man. We're good here, man. Z-San's going higher, baby. Right. He was like, I love your content. And I'm like, well, maybe I don't think you've actually read my content. If I offended you by my smart-ass remark, because I do that on a regular basis. That's kind of my thing. So maybe you haven't read my content. Maybe you're bullshitting me right now. And he was bullshitting me. So Z-San is fine. Everybody knows I'm kidding, man. Shut up. What else do we got? Why is everybody worried about RMO? RMO's okay. We cut it in half. I'm down to half my shares. Obviously, I don't enjoy the fact that it's going lower. I'm not selling the other half in here, okay? I'm just not. I'm not selling the other half in here, okay? If you need to, I get it. I'm not mad at you. It is a stage 4 decline. A lot of misconceptions of the money flow are you have to sell if it's going down. You do not have to sell if something's going down. You could wait, let it stop, let it start going sideways, and then buy more. Or you could sell half. That's what we did. We sold half. I want exposure to this stock. I may not be able to get back in. If you haven't noticed, when it goes, it rockets. So if this thing turns around and rockets, and I've put all my money in fucking Procter & Gamble or some dumb shit, I won't have a chance to get back in. So I want to keep a little exposure to it, even though it's going down. Now, that is a big boy, mature way of trading. And most people are not used to the fact of, what do you mean, you're holding a stock going down? Yes, I am holding stock that's going down. It is okay. It's not going to zero. Calm down. It may go here, right? And then, I'm not holding that much. Any trade that I take is like 2% of my portfolio. So it's 2%. And then it went down a little bit. It's okay. You see how that works? This is why you can't have big ass positions. because then it messes up how you trade, man. Yeah, CLX was one that came. Man, I wish I'd have bought more of this. I wish I'd have bought some, period. Clorox got way under the 200. Good stock. Good stock. This is setting up, man. Yesterday was the buy day, to be honest, though. Look, bread and butter trade. And remember I told you, a quality blue chip under the 200. Damn, that was one there too, man. That rocketed. I would have sold some. So you let that shit pull back and setting up again. MACD turned. I mean, you could still get in this. For me, I missed it. Like, I had to be in on this day or I don't want to play anymore. I missed it for me, but nice stock, man. I don't know what tip rank say. What does tip rank say? What does tip rank say about Clorox? 228. Nice. Woo! That's back up here. That's a trade. Smoking the Bandit. Like, that's back. That's good, man. Eastbound down. Let's see. Let's check the cues. Make sure everybody's okay. Woo! Look at the cues. Look where it stopped. Right on that green line. Why do you think that happened? You see why I use the 20? I want you to observe something, because sometimes people are like, why do you use the 20? Because I'm smart. Let's see. Now, it's not 100%. Nothing is. We're playing a game of probabilities here. But look. Look at it holding the 20, right? Look at it holding the 20. Look at it holding the 20. Look at this. Look at it. It just marches all the way up, man. It dropped, come right back. Look at it holding the 20. That's why we use it, the 20. Smoking the Bandit. You got it. You got the movie reference. Somebody here's over 30. Smokey. Buford T. Justice. Wasn't that his name? I was PLTR, man. Yeah, we're on that one. It's too soon for PLTR. Let's see. For me. It's holding that 25, though. We talked about this in our chat room yesterday, that at 25, I was excited. I would wait, man. I wouldn't jump this just yet. I mean, technically, I can't, because I actually trade by a set of rules called a trading plan. If you've never heard of that, that's what professional traders do, is they create rules for themselves in which they operate. Now, amateur traders don't do that. They trade by emotions. Whatever they feel, they fall in love with stocks. So I try to create a set of rules by which I follow that keeps me from being stupid. And I try to do the best I can to follow them. Sometimes even me, I mess them up. It is possible, but sometimes. And then when I do, I go into the bathroom and I punch myself. This is a stock I've been watching, and I'm watching it more today. I really, really like this stock, XL. And look how it's holding this level here. So we could take a dirty little punch at this one today. This is not a stage 4 decline, even though it's below the 20, because it's trading in this tight little box here. But it's right on the edge, dude. Right on the edge. Yeah, if the market gets hit tonight or tomorrow, PLTR is going lower, no matter how much you love that stock. No matter how much you kiss your phone when you see the ticker, it's going lower. That's how it works. Man, I really would like to take a shot at this today, man. I'm afraid to put a trade out, man. I'm afraid some of you guys are going to have an emotional meltdown. Let's see. What do we got on the $30? And we're sitting at 18. And my target is what? I was literally going to say $30, right? Because that's about where we would do it. About right there. Maybe right there, but 30's close. Man, oh man. I'd like to put this out today, man, but I don't want to cause anybody to have a hemorrhage or have a meltdown or something. XL. Let's check in on Peloton. I started to cut that bitch yesterday. Somebody talked me out of it. Well, I guess I owe him an apology. I was about to cut this stock yesterday. Sometimes I do this thing. I'm going to give you a little advice. Whenever you're in doubt or you're concerned about the market, here's what you do. Don't go watch a bunch of videos telling you the market's going to crash and get all worried and get yourself all worked up. Don't do that, okay? Take two of your stocks and just cut them. Just pretend like you're on a football team and just say, you know what? You're a great football player, but you don't get to stay. And you fire their asses. So I want you to notice something. One of the 6 components of the money flow trading system. Hold on, let me pull this up. If you're new here, I'm looking at 6 things every day. And this is not perfect, okay? This is just to try to bring some sort of chaos to order. And basically, I believe that prices move in 4 stages. Stage 1, stage 2. Yeah, man, I don't know why YouTube's so blurry. I apologize. If you call my assistant, she will get you a refund. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, stage 1. Where I'm looking to be a buyer is a stage 1 and a stage 2, not stage 4. I say again, not stage 4, not stage 3. That's why the color is red and red. I want to buy on the blue and the green, okay? So as I watch the stocks, I'm looking for this pattern. Because a stock goes into a sell-off doesn't mean you have to sell it. It does not mean that. What it means is it's going down. We don't know how far it's going to go down. And sometimes people say to me, well, Journal, if it's going to go down, why don't you sell it? Because I don't know how far it's going to go down. I assume it's going to go to the next support level. So if we were looking at Peloton, if we look, here is support. If we draw a line and you see it trading in a box, if you hear a loud noise, that was me killing this cat. He just jumped up on the table. And there's support. Previous high becomes resistance, right? As long as this level holds, the stock is good. It broke it this morning. I do not trade in the morning. I would not have sold this, okay? And if you notice yesterday, it broke it, but it came back into the close. That's bullish. If this gets back up in here, that's crazy bullish, okay? Really, really bullish. So if we go look at tip ranks, so I want to give it the benefit of the doubt. I'm okay losing money, okay? PTON. Sorry, I hurt my hand or my arm working on a house. I can barely use it. I need to go to the doctor, but I don't want to. PT. So, yeah, the upside's not huge here, okay? But this one can trade at a premium for sure. What is 212? That sounds like some gang code. We're going to do a 212 on this mofo. Somebody here from Compton. It's like an 817. An 817 on an undercover cop. You know what an 817 is? A code for drive-by shooting in LA. Let's see. Come on, man. I listen to Snoop. Easy E. Yep, Peloton's okay right now. Let's wait and see what it does. It's all right. It's coming back. It's coming back, man. It's coming back. I think we're okay. This is on my cut list, though. I'm going to let you know. So on my football team, this one right here is on the cut list. It's about to be cut. So it needs to do its thing or I'm going to cut it. That's just the way it is. Nothing personal. I got to cut somebody from the team. Why? So that I have money. Okay? I'm not cutting them all. But this one could be cut. What else do we got, man? RMNI. Look at the penny stocks are doing okay. It's still all right. There ain't no need to panic here. What else we got? LIVX. These some of the penny stocks I'm holding. What is it? LVIX. No, shit. I don't even know my own tickers. Hold on here. What do we got going on here? Alt. This is what we're looking at. If you go to the newsletter, this page I keep updated. The rest of it I update as I go through the day, man. Damn, I haven't added since the 12th. Let's see if that's true. Hold on, let me update this. Wow. I guess I forgot to update. Shit. I'm updating it on my end. I guess I forgot to hit update. So, did I cover? Yeah, C-Base good. Buy it, man. Nugget, RF, Romeo, C-Base. Oh, look at this. Pushed funds into Verizon on 2-2. Let's see where that was. That's probably when Buffett was buying. When was 2-2? Damn. Right there. Why are we doing that? Because that's stage one. Right on the extreme. See that right there? Man, you guys thought I was playing, man. That's what I'm buying. I'm buying right there, man. Come on, man. When are you buying? Up here? Don't buy up here. Buy right here. So, that's what I'm looking for in the buy and holds. I like to see that RSI go extreme, and then I start buying. And that was a big tail sign. That's the Jesus cross I always talk about. And then it just ripped from there, man. I can't buy up here. It's got away from me. So, I know, man. Lazy motherfuckers. I was going to comment on that. 700 fucking people. Nobody can give me the ticker. That's all right. I'll do the whole damn thing myself. I'll come to your house, read you the book, whisper tickers in your ear. Shit, I'll enter the trades for you guys. I don't want to fucking bug you. I'll enter the trades for you. How about that? Let's see. I'll do them for you. Don't bother helping me out. Jeez, OVID. Me and Chris were just talking about this one. This one looking good. Yeah, ain't no need to panic here. Ain't no need to panic here. Everything's doing good. Man, the only real problems I got right now in the portfolio, to be honest, is Fastly. If I could type. I hurt my arm. This shit is killing me. I'm betting this is this place where Fastly stops. So at this point, I can't sell it. Oh yeah, shoulder rubs too. Oh, did OBSV fucking break? OBSV. No, bro. I've been buying this one. Okay, listen. This thing shot up on me. I didn't sell any. And then it started going sideways. We literally bought right here and then it ripped. Okay? It ripped. And it's just been going sideways. I've been accumulating this. And anyone has bought a book from me recently, a lot of times I'll give you my 2 or 3 favorite penny stocks. This has been one. This, DS, and I think CDRF, I like that one a lot too. So I've been buying this stock, okay? And all in here, I've been accumulating. Once this started going sideways, and we started going sideways, this is a new stage 1, okay? So if we come over here and we put in OBSV, why am I taking a chance? You see, what if it goes down, you'll lose all that profit. I know. I'm taking a shot here, bro, okay? The analysts are calling for $16. That's 325% from here. So I'm going to take a shot at losing all this little profit that I made up here because I'm already up like 50, 60%. I've been buying the fuck out of this stock every day. Buying. 100 shares, 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 100 shares. I'd buy today, 100 shares. Just buying. All the way across. Now, maybe it breaks, but I'm going to take that chance. So, I'm trying to make money, not protect money. Let's see. Yeah, don't sell, man. Don't be selling, man. If you get caught, don't sell. Don't sell when you get caught. Just hold it. Now, if it's a dumb stock and you shouldn't have bought it, then that's a different conversation. Let's talk about Bitcoin for just a second. You're going to hear, yeah, we did Clorox. Listen, the RSI, I'm going to be honest, doesn't work well on Bitcoin, okay? This is a unicorn thing. Not like it's kind of like talking about Tesla or some things it don't apply. I mean, I don't want to say it don't apply because it does work sometimes. But let me show you something on Bitcoin. I would be more concerned with the moving averages than the RSI. Just look. Look at the RSI stayed extreme, and that started from about here, and it ran all the way to here. Okay? So look at that. Look at that. That was the RSI being extreme. So what does that tell us? It tells you that when Bitcoin runs, it don't give a damn about the RSI. It's just going to run. And it's just going to keep running until it doesn't run. Make sense? Over here too, we see it break out. RSI went extreme right there, and it continued higher. So I would be more concerned with the moving averages coming together than where the RSI is, because I had some people, mentioning that. The RSI is extreme on Bitcoin right now. This thing could go for another $8 with the RSI on extreme. You get what I'm saying? So, like, I bought Bitcoin yesterday. People say, well, you're buying on a 70 RSI. It doesn't apply, man. It just broke out. If you go look at some of the runs this thing has done, look at the size of these runs, man. They're massive. So I have no reason to doubt this one won't be massive. You get what I'm saying? So, I mean, and look, there's room on the TSI yet for it to go higher. We're just now, and I mean, I don't know, man. I don't know. This thing's going to do what it's going to do. I would not be a seller of it. And, I would just be a buyer. That's just me, man. Like, I don't know it's not a stock, you know what I mean? This thing could go ridiculously high. It is not a stock. And if for a long, long time, I've been first I was against it. I thought it's complete nonsense. And then I wasn't against it because, well, it's going. I mean, what am I going to do? 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, it's been going up, right? And then, then you start getting into it, and you're going to have to come to your own like, I don't push it. I'm not going to push it. I mention it. I'm buying it. That's it. I leave it at that. I'm going to let people make their own decisions, because I can't value it. The value could be unlimited. And then when you say that to people that are stock people, they're like, oh, bullshit. Listen, if you go study the market cap of this, it could go beyond, you could add zeros to this. Zeros. So this thing here soon could be, not soon, but at some point could be trading at $530 a share. So this is where we really started buying, right around in here. That was my first dip. That was first chance. I started getting into it, like believing that this thing is an asset class over here. This was our first dip, and from here to here is 50% or 40%, okay? So you're going to have to make up your own mind. I bought some yesterday. If it breaks and sells off and comes back to here, I'm a buyer, not a seller, okay? Just saying. I don't plan to sell ever, to be honest, because I think it could go really, 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 really high. So look at Ethereum. I am trading Ethereum. I'm trading Ethereum, like swing trading, okay? So this one I will be selling some. Same thing. What am I doing? Looking for stage one. Catch the sell-off. Wait till it builds a box. Was building a box in here, right? Now I'm looking to buy it. I'm buying it, buying it, buying it. Now this one I haven't been buying more because this is an actual trade, okay? I do plan to downsize this and then let it go and do its thing and then sell some, okay? So here's what's weird on this. The GBTC and the ETHE, they're the Grayscale Trust. They typically trade at a premium to the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum. They are currently not trading at a premium. They're trading in par and parity, or actually the trust is for Ethereum is actually not, is trading below. So that's unusual. So we'll see what that means. Stop. So we'll see what that means. Let's check open. We've been in this area. I got on a rant there. Let's check open. Yeah, open's fine. It's holding the 20, man. Come on, go. It's holding the 20. So we're good there. Man, PGR, we got a YouTube request. This better be good, bro. Okay, progressive core, nice chart. See what my man's looking at? You buy the box, rips higher, there's your target. He's buying the box, it's breaking out of box, so I would be adding here. I would have bought in here, add on the breakout, target is $95. That is PRG, Progressive Corp. Good chart, man. Good looking out. Good look. Come on, go, stop. Good looking out. I like that one. SRPT. Yeah, I mean, you should just be buying this one. Look at this big ass long box. I've been dripping into this every day, buying like 1 share, 2 shares. If it's in a stage 1, you don't need me to say, hey, buy this. This is just buyable. It's a big giant stage 1. What do they say? SRPT. Let's check it out. SRPT. Oh, that's the wrong stock, Joe. Come on, SRPT. $128, 45% upside. Look at this long window you're getting. Buy a little, buy a little, buy a little. Don't be an impatient bitch. Buy a little, buy a little, buy a little. Just buy one more share. It ain't that hard. Buy one, build it up, fold. I don't know. You gotta wait for this to stabilize. So I like clove. I don't like blue. I couldn't get a lot of analyst research on this. I like clove. I don't know. I like clove. It's an ugly chart. It's a stage 4 decline. I wouldn't necessarily buy it today, but I do like it. I mean, it broke support, bro. CLNE. See, this is some tight ass trading, but I like it. It's pulling back into support here. Your support's right there. Oof. And you see every time it did that, right? Pull back, there's your run up, pull back, there's your run up, pull back, there's your run up. Went sideways, ran up, pull back. Probably gonna keep running. All right, now we got some fucking bragging. Everybody, let's talk about EBON. Let's brag about EBON. So what the fuck do you want us to do with this stock, bro? So there it goes. We're not buying here. So now you're bragging. He wants you to know he bought EBON and now he's made a bunch of money. Except that doesn't help us, okay? Makes you feel good. Didn't help us because I didn't buy it. So I don't give a fuck about this stock. And I can't buy it here. So now all you did was waste my time. Congratulations. You're doing good. So now that you stopped the whole fucking class to brag about your stock, what would you like to know about this stock? You should take profits. You should take profits, okay? Would you like me to come to your house and fill out the deposit slip? So you hit 79 RSI, congratulations. You should sell some now. If you're buying it, you're a complete idiot. You shouldn't buy here. You should have bought down here. There's your breakout. There's your stage 1, right? So there was another one. Ran up. Look, tagged the target. Boom. Pull back. So right here, instead of panicking, you use this sell-off to buy more on the stage 1 to add on the breakout, right? This is what I talk about. You don't have to sell a stock just because it sells off, because the price target may be higher. I don't know why this is so hard for some people. So as we look at, they don't even carry it on here. EBON. So now that you've held the class up to brag about your trade, let's see. Nope, they don't even have thing. All right. So there you go. Anybody else want to brag? Waste our fucking time showing us stocks that we can't buy right now that are already run up? Let's see. While we're here, just wasting everybody's time. SUPV. There we go. Here's another stock wasting our time that we can't buy. Thanks, bro. Anybody else got another one to waste everybody's time with? Let's see. Is Beyond Meat setting up? put it on my radar. It's too high, bro. We can't buy that shit now. Send back my book. Let's see. Yeah, Beyond Meat's setting up for sure. I missed this one. I'm going to be honest. I got out of Beyond Meat, and then it kind of got it. This is the problem when you get out of stocks. All of a sudden, you move your money to another stock, and then you miss it when it runs. So I didn't have the funds, and then it broke on me. This is the problem with getting out of good stocks, you know? So now let's take you through. Watch. This is how it works. Everybody over here is like, boy, I wish I'd have bought it more down here. And then it sells off, and they're like, oh, my God. And then they're all worried down here crying because it went so far down. And then, look, then it rips higher. And then they're like, oh, I wish I'd have bought a lot more down here when I was crying that it went down. And this is what you'll see because it depends on when people get on the side of the stock, right? So if you're a dummy buying it up here, you know, it don't feel too good right here, right? But if you bought here, that changes the game. So this is why I say don't buy on the RSI extreme, which is what we saw in EBON. It's already on an extreme because eventually it's going to come down, right? So everybody crying right now about stamps and all these other stocks, you know, you weren't crying. Like, so up here, people were like, oh, I wish I'd have bought a lot more. And then it falls down here and they're freaking out that it fell so far. And then it goes up here and they're like, oh, I wish I'd have bought a lot more. And now that it falls, they're freaking out that it's going down again. You see how this plays out, man? So don't ask me about this stock today. I will block you. Okay? Don't cry. Don't ask me about it. I will block you. Because you wished you'd have had a whole bunch down here, and now it falls and everybody doesn't want it. Get your mind together. Get your shit together. That's all you got to do. Get your shit together. Let's see. Ooh, I like this one. Yep. I think you brought this one to me the other day, bro. I like this stock. I like this stock. Easy target. Let's put SPPI into, there's a bunch of pharmaceuticals set up just like this one. $10 price target. We only need $4.90. See it? We only need $4.90. Now, everybody that bought up here is in a total fucking panic down here, right? And now we're over here looking at an opportunity. One man's panic is another man's opportunity, right? So if you just see that and see both sides, when your stocks drop on you, instead of being the guy panicking, you could switch your mindset to the guy who sees the opportunity. One man's foreclosure is another man's opportunity. I bought a lot of foreclosures from people that were in shitty situations. One guy's selling, one guy's buying, and then I made lots of money. We're both buying and selling the same asset. You get it? So if you're the guy panicking selling this here, the next guy 3 days later is buying it as an opportunity. What was the difference? Mindset. One guy couldn't see support. One guy couldn't see the fundamentals of the company. So he panics. Damn. Bombs. Bombs. Man, come on, man. CNC. Thank you, bro. Give me a stage one. Look, now we got something that can help us. That last stock, SPPI, I like that. I don't have it, but I'm just saying I like it. I like the setup. I like this setup too. Look, same thing. Shot up over here, setting up for the same thing. So let's put that in. Now you're gonna want to do a little more research than just what I'm doing here, right? CNC. Okay, go look it up. Go to the company website. What kind of product they sell. Print off a picture of the CEO. Take it to bed with you. Look at him in the face. Think about it. Like, become friends with them. Email the board members. Let's see. 31% upside. That's an expensive stock, man. $59. Shit. Follow him on LinkedIn. Harass his ass. I like it. I don't know anything about it, so yeah, man, should follow the CEO. Print off pictures, put it on a refrigerator. Like, learn about the company, I guess what I'm trying to say. Then you won't be so worried when shit sells off. Let's see. Oh, yeah, yeah. KRMD. That's a new one. Man, thanks, man. I knew somebody was going to remember me. Damn. Went the exact opposite way on us, too. Knew somebody was going to help me out. All right, I got long this stock yesterday. It pulled right back on us. Let's see. KRMD. What are we looking at here? Looking for 550. That should just get downgraded. No. It just turned on us. That's all there is. We got to give it a minute. Damn. That sucks. Be honest. Nice breakout. Pulls right back. That just sucks. Those hurt. Kind of hurt your feelings. No. I think it's SPP. Yeah, SPPI. Yeah, this just AUI. Keep an eye on it. We need to see these things hold the box. And if you're trading a nut, don't forget this is triple leveraged. So you really want to keep an eye on the GX, which is not leveraged, to kind of get your buy point and see if we don't come back up into these gold stocks are super on cheap. It doesn't mean they can't get cheaper and cheaper and cheaper. So don't. Zoom's holding up. We're okay. Coke's breaking out. No. Procter and Gamble. No, that's it, man. That's all I got. I'm a loser today. That's all I got. I'm a net loser. Ethereum looks good. It was up 9% last night. That's what I do, lay in bed and look at Ethereum charts. Let's see. Did Kramer put out? I hadn't listened to Kramer last night. I was about to do that. Did Kramer put out buy some gold? Man, this shit is cheap, dude. I feel bad to keep pushing it in the group because it is going down. And I mean, this is where we started buying. Well, we started buying here last time, but we're right back at that same point. And I don't know, man. It feels like gold and bonds are just broken. I don't understand. Look at bonds. That shit just keeps going down, man. Look at this just horrific trend. And every breakout, I've decided not to buy it because, look, falls. I'm not buying that shit. I like gold stocks. I'm not going to keep telling people to buy them. I'm in AUY. I'm in the Nugget. I wish I had less Nugget, but today I'd probably like to buy more Nugget. What else am I in? I'm in gold, but that's in my buy and hold. I'm probably going to nibble on that today. Well, man, God, they look terrible, huh? ODT. Oh, my man can read the future. Yep. There could be something to more people are buying Bitcoin than gold. There could be something to that. I wouldn't say it's free falling. It hit support. Yeah, I'm in Bitcoin, man. Let's see. MBRX. Yeah, I'm in that. I like this one. Austin says, do you wait for a stock to hit 30 RSI? Not really, man. Ooh, there's a little more to it than that. Get my book, man. You got to let it hit and then you got to let it go sideways. It doesn't have to hit the RSI, but we're looking for it to build a box. Price movement comes from it building a box. Hey, I'm having cat problems here. I will murder you on the live. Stop. Hey, stop. Come on. Go. What is your latest book? Man. I write so many books I don't remember. I'd stay with Oyster. I mean, it looks fine. It's right at support, so there's nothing to worry about. No, my cat ain't pregnant, man. That cat is all muscle. That's it. That's all I got, man. Let's see. What did he say? LIVX. Yeah, I'm in LIVX. That was the one I was trying to think of. Thank you. I mean, I'm in this. I've been in this since down here. We got long down here. I'm not. I'm gonna give this the benefit of the doubt. Let's just see what happens here, man. I'm not selling just because I made too much money to just dump it. QQQ. Look, Qs are holding 20. If it breaks the 20, then maybe we got a conversation. Look, the market's holding the 20. Anybody getting bearish is a dipshit. It is not time. If it breaks the 20, I get it. You have every right to get bearish. But as long as it doesn't break the 20, you're good. So anyway, we'll wrap up there. You guys be good. Yeah, I've been resting it, been putting some ibuprofen on, but it's not. I can barely even lift a coffee cup. So I think I messed up the bicep, man. It was that day I was loading that dumpster you guys saw on my story. So that's the problem when you're a man and work. You can hurt yourself as you get older. My man said, am I getting out of RMO? Let's look at it one more time. I keep getting a lot of questions about this stuff. I'm in a half position, man, which is like I'm down. I only have like 50 shares here. Okay, so let me see, and it's moved against me. I mean, what hurt us is Morgan Stanley, this ass clown here, who's only right half the time, and when he's right 13%. So I don't know, man. You know, I haven't pulled the trigger yet. We'll see. I mean, don't hold a big position, you know, scale it down. That's all I can say. We're underwater on it for sure. Every once in a while I get them wrong too. This is obviously one that I'm wrong in right now, so. Yeah, I just feel like it's gonna, I don't want to say feel, it seems like it should go higher, but I don't know. Clove probably too. I'm stuck in that one. Obviously I've been wrong on this one. I can't sell it here. I'm just stuck in it at this point. So we'll let it build. I'm not buying here. I'm gonna let it build up and hopefully run. I mean, if we were wrote back time, everybody wished they'd have been buying here. So we're right back to that spot. So if you look at the 4 stages, we're seeing them. This should start a stage 1 here any minute. So that's my thought on that. Somebody talking shit already? Let's see. That's it. That's all I got, man. Oh, man, I thought I was getting picked on again, man. Why is everybody picking on me? All right, you guys be good. Do you think Clove will bounce back mid-March? Yeah, I'm going to hold it at this point. I don't know that I wouldn't really add today. I mean, down you Matt. I mean, it wouldn't hurt, I guess, but you know, I like for the box to set up. I wouldn't put any big money on it right now. I mean, if you want to buy a few shares, you know, whatever. Like we're at support hopefully here. You know, it ain't gonna hurt you to buy 5 shares, 10 shares, but I wouldn't put any money until it starts to go sideways like we saw here and then turns, you know, like we saw the sell off and look, eventually it goes sideways. And when it goes sideways is before the big move. Same thing's going to happen here. It's going to go sideways, right? And then hopefully runs back up to 16. You know, if you nibble 1-2 shit, that ain't hurting anything. Just understand it hasn't put in a buy signal yet. Like it's still drifting lower. You know, if a guy would have nibbled here, 1 share, 2 shares, 1 share, 2 shares, and then as it went sideways, 5 shares, 10 shares, 20 shares, 50 shares, and then on the breakout, you're being big, and then you ride it up, you know. You know, that's not the dumbest idea, but I really like to see it go sideways. So, but that's it. That's my whole 2 cents. You guys be good.